New at 6, false claims costing you big bucks, from car insurance to health, homeowners, and life insurance cases.
The state's Insurance Fraud Division just released its annual report, and the findings prove just how costly fraud is, not just for the criminals. In the 7 on Your Side Consumer Watch.
From storm damage to car crash claims, you pay for insurance to be there when you need it. This report outlines those who file claims and don't, like a woman trying to get insurance money after her business burned down when investigators found she actually did it. In another case, 3 men filed claims saying all of their limbs had been amputated. The investigation revealed they had not. State Attorney General Alan Wilson says fraud complaints are at an all-time high in South Carolina and rising.
It is the most overlooked issue in our state is insurance fraud. We need to direct more resources to it. We need more investigators. We need more prosecutors at various agencies to go out there, detect, prevent, investigate, and prosecute this crime.
And it directly impacts you. Wilson says new numbers show insurance fraud costs every family more than $1,200 a year.
And most people think it's the insurance company that's getting hurt. They're the ones getting defrauded. No one likes insurance companies. Well, guess what? Who's paying the higher premiums? The insurance companies aren't eating the cost. So this actually, people don't feel the direct burn, but they are getting burned.
Of the more than 1,200 fraud complaints received last year, an overwhelming majority, 74%, came from automobile cases. Personal commercial property made up 17% of cases, and workers' comp 4%. Health, life insurance, and premium fraud each made up 1% of cases. And this is just who was caught, meaning the cost to you is likely much higher.
The report shows prosecuting these fraud cases resulted in 37 convictions last year and more than $700,000 in restitution paid to the victims. The Attorney General says insurance fraud is a serious crime. That includes underreporting the number of miles you drive on your auto policy, not reporting an accurate medical history when applying for health insurance, and faking or exaggerating a work injury to get workers' comp. If you suspect fraud, you can report it anonymously by calling this number, 888-95-FRAUD. For a look at the entire report, just go to WSPA.com.